Hello and welcome to our Storm streaming video tutorial series. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to properly configure and connect OpenBroadcaster to our Storm streaming cloud or Storm streaming server. OBS is very easy to use, can be installed on most popular operating systems, and above all else, it's free. Let's start. First, open OBS and select Settings. Once there, go to Output from the tab menu and change its mode to Advanced. As the encoder, select X264. It's a reliable CPU-based encoder with great compatibility across multiple browsers. Then we have to set a proper bitrate. Since I'm planning to broadcast in 720p, any value between 2500 and 3000 should be fine. For Full HD, I suggest something between 5500 and for 4K, even above 8000. Now, keyframe interval. This value will have a significant impact on delay, so let's set it to 1 second. CPU usage preset set to super fast. Profile can be set either to main or high. For tune, select zero latency. On the audio tab, make sure that our audio buffer is set to around 160. It's more than enough. Now let's move to another tab. Select video from the menu. For both base and output resolution, we'll use 720p, which means 1280 x 720. All our video and audio settings are now in place. It's time to configure our connection. Let's go to Stream tab. First, select the option called Custom from the service list. Then we'll have to add a proper RTMP URL in the server field. For Storm Cloud users, that value can be copied from the summary page of your stream. For server users, just combine the RTMP prefix with your host divided by the application name. Next, add our stream key. As before, it's included in the summary page. Now click the authorization checkbox and provide both username and password. Everything is now in place. Let's click Start Streaming and wait for OBS to establish connection. If everything is OK, a green square should appear in the bottom right corner of the application window. Last thing to do is to publish our stream. Let's head to the control panel. The moment we click Publish, here in the stream summary page, our broadcast is live and everyone can see it. That's all. Thanks for watching, and please check our other video tutorials and documentation page where everything I've just presented is described in more detail. You will find the link in the description.